everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. I wanted to show this to you. This is a beautiful cabinet that my daughter, somebody gave it to her. She brought it to me. I love it. It's huge. Let me back up here. It is very mid-century modern. I'm probably going to use this as a TV stand. It has a glass piece that goes here that I took out. And this is a drawer that just opens up. If I can figure out how to do it. There we go. So that opens up and it has storage on both sides. It's really large. Now you're probably wondering, why do I have mayonnaise out? Well, I've never tried this before, but there are some, see these hazy watermarks here? So I've been looking on how to get rid of them, and I have read to use mayonnaise, and I'm going to try it, never tried it before, that it will get rid of the hazy stain. And you just kind of gently buff it out. And I'll let you know how that works. If not, there's a couple other, there was some little ones down here too. And I'm not sure what kind of wood this is. It almost looks like, I don't know, what do you think, birch maybe? It's very, very well made. I think this is not super old because I think it's made to look like mid-century modern. But I think it's going to go perfect in my new house. So what's going on here? Let me show you. Well, I've got a mess. The dining room table is gone. My daughter and son-in-law came to pick that up this morning. The hutch is emptied out and that is ready to go. So they will be taking that as well. Of course, I still have things all over. I'm still packing. These are the new things I had bought for my house that I don't want to pack. There's that cute little table I bought. Things I'm packing. So they are taking this coffee table, which is just full of stuff right now, and the two couches. They've already taken the matching end tables to this set. So they are taking the couches, both of them. And let's go out here. Oh my gosh, my house is a mess, you guys. It's just full of packing. I want to show you. Hold on, let me come out here in the garage. What the amount of boxes that I have packed out here in the garage. Isn't that crazy? Not a lot of furniture, but a lot of boxes. I did get my estimate for moving, and they estimated my move between $2,000 and $4,000. 2 trucks, 4 men, and an hour's worth of time. We'll see. But my real estate agent is providing me with a cash back of $2,000 to put towards moving. So I figure, you know, at most I'm going to have to pay $2,000, worth every single penny. So let's go out here. It is a mess. I am taking these 2 couches here, and I will be using those. And I'm not decided. My granddaughter had her little dollhouse out over there. I'm undecided about the 3-piece entertainment center there. So, and I am going to be taking this table for the time being. I plan on replacing it, but I'm not sure yet. So let's turn on the light out here. So my daughter's also taking this couch. They've taken the cushions. I'm going to keep, I'm going to be keeping this curio cabinet because I need, I have some things I want to keep. They're going to be taking the desk here. They already took the chair. And then this 3-piece entertainment center. Well, it's not really. It's a 3-piece bookcase unit. They're going to take that as well. I am taking my grandmother's library table, of course. And really, that's about, besides our bedroom sets, that's probably about all the furniture I'm going to be taking. I've got my carpet cleaner out. I'm not kidding you. Almost embarrassed to show you my house, but this is how it is when you're moving. So lots and lots and lots of things left to pack. But honestly, I'm getting to the nitty gritty. I ordered these. I'll show these to you real quick. This is going to be a short video. I had ordered, well, I picked this vase up at Ross, this rattan vase, and I don't have him put in real nice, but I ordered from Amazon this pampas grass. This is one pack, and I don't even have the whole pack in there yet. And it was $8 over at Amazon. They sent it in this really pretty little box. And the pampas grass came in there, and then they send these little cattails, and it looks like wheat. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit all of that in there, but I think that's going to be really, really pretty, along with my, my wicker baskets that I showed you that I bought. Look how pretty that's going to be. So yeah, I'm really getting excited now. We are moving, definitely. I've already rented or set the date and put my deposit down on the moving trucks, and that is going to be July 7th. So that's taken care of. Oh, just getting it all done. But honestly, it looks like a lot, but once this furniture's out, it's not going to be too bad. And curious to see how this mayonnaise thing works. They said you can also use baking soda and or Vaseline. Let me know. Have you guys ever had, this is really a bad water stain. And let me know. It said, and I haven't done that, it said just to spread your mayo on it, kind of a thick coat, and put a paper towel over it and let it sit for a few hours. So I'm going to try that. We'll see if it works. If not, I'll figure something out, because it really is a gorgeous piece of mid-century looking furniture, quite different from what I'm used to. But we'll see. I guess the lady that had this before, they moved, and she actually gave this to my daughter. And what she used this for was a bar cart. So I have all those real pretty mid-century modern glasses, the barware, the roly-poly glasses that, I could set in here. And this whole section, it has a light bar right back here. And so it does light up. It's going to be really pretty. So we'll see how that works. So anyways, that's really about all I have for right now. I'm just continuing to pack. I have, oh my goodness, I have bought so much bubble wrap and boxes, and I'm really getting tired of it. But when the date comes, the 7th, I want to be all ready to go. And the 5th is when I actually close on this house, and simultaneously on my new house in Casa Grande, have to be in Casa Grande on the 5th to pick up my keys and sign final paperwork there. So it's all coming along. It really is just a lot of work. I'm getting tired, but I'm getting to the point where I can finally start seeing the end of things. So, but it'll be nice to have a house back, without boxes and wrappings and everything. I'm ready to settle in. I'm really ready to say goodbye to this house now. I will miss it, but I'm ready. I'm ready to go, and I'm looking forward to it now. It's going to be sad. It's going to be really sad to say goodbye, but I am ready. I'm ready to go. So I've taken all the pictures down in my house, and I didn't want to leave holes in the walls, so I patched up all the holes and, repainted over everything. I'll show you what I do when I buy paint for the house, sorry if I'm walking too fast. Oh my goodness. Um, I've got my laundry out. My goodness. When I buy paints for the house, I don't leave my paint in the garage because it just, dries up. So these are little jars that I had bought at Dollar Tree. So I pour the remains into these little plastic jars and I keep them stored in the house. And each one I label, which room it is. And like I say, I'm touching everything up, but I will leave all of that for, the new people. So, but I've done a pretty good job taking the pictures down and getting everything patched up. I wouldn't want to move into a house that had a ton of holes on the walls. So, it's nice I want it to look nice when they come. So, yeah, I've been patching and getting everything ready for them. And that's where I had that really beautiful picture hanging there. Now, this is Grandma's buffet table. Of course, I'm taking that as well. And back in this, it's a spare bedroom now. I have put, my daughter took a lot of my artwork. And as you can see, I still have lots. I'm getting ready today to make a trip to the Goodwill. Sarah took all my, a lot of my artwork that I had in my kitchen, my rooster pictures, and those kind of things. I'm keeping the laundry company sign for the new house. None of this I'm going to be keeping. I might keep that rooster coffee sign because I love that. And I have kept my roosters. Oh, what else? This was that big, beautiful painting that Mom had picked us out when we first moved here. It was in that large space. I'll show you over my grandma's buffet table. And yeah, it was hanging right there. So I think I'm gonna keep that painting. To me, I have a sentimental attachment to it, but it really is pretty. I don't know where I'll put it. Maybe in my bedroom in the new house. I don't know. So, anyways, that's all I'm doing today, packing and working on this table. But if you have any suggestions, this is just dust right there. But if you have any suggestions on how to get this haze out of the wood, let me know. I've read things about Vaseline, baking soda. I don't want to put anything on it that's going to eat through the finish. I'm kind of worried. I even saw this one lady on YouTube, and she was taking a very hot iron, putting a cloth over it, and then putting a hot iron on top. I'm really frightened to do that. I don't want to destroy the finish. So we'll see. If nothing else, I guess, hey, a doily will work, huh? Actually, I have some mid-century modern type vases that would probably work on that, but it is a huge piece. Okay, guys, I'm going to let you go. I don't have much in the way of content to give you for a while. Once I move, I'll be decorating my house. It'll be so much fun, and I look forward to doing that. So stay with me for the journey. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'll talk to you soon. I love you guys. Bye for now. So we had a little family get together. This is Caden. He's 14. He graduated from 8th grade. And his little sister, Kinley, she just graduated from kindergarten. So probably our last get together at this house. Okay, love you guys. See you soon.